Hi, in this video, I'm using Solfege to demonstrate how to do a SATB cadence. It's like a map that helps us to follow and find the perfect resolution. Let's revise what the numbers stand for. 1 stands for Do, 2 stands for Re, 3 stands for Mi, 4 stands for Fa, 5 stands for So, 6 stands for La, and 7 stands for T. Let's look at 5-1 cadence. 5 chord sings as So, Ti, Re, and resolve to 1 to make a perfect cadence. 1 sings as Do, Mi, So. The rule for the resolution is to keep the same note. When we have a So goes to So, just keep it in the same part. And when there is a leading note, it's always go to tonic. Leading note goes to tonic, so we'll have Ti goes to Do. Then remaining note is the Re. The Re will resolve to the nearest possible note. That is Re goes to Mi. So this is 5-1. Keep the same note. Leading note goes to tonic. Let's look at Plagal cadence. Plagal cadence sings as Fa, La, Do. Goes to Do, Mi, So. We have the same note, Do and Do. So you just keep the Do in the same voice. Fa and La just resolve to the nearest possible note. La will goes to So. Fa will goes to Mi. All go down by step. Fa, La, Do, and Do, Mi, So. Keep the Do. This is Plagal cadence. Let's move on to 1-5, that is imperfect cadence. Imperfect cadence is just the reverse of perfect cadence when we have 1-5. So Do, Mi, So goes to So, Ti, Re. We keep the same note, So and So, in the same voice. Then Do goes to Ti because Ti is the leading note. And the relation between tonic and leading note is very close. So Do goes to Ti. And the rest is just Mi goes to Re. Go down by step to the nearest possible note. This is 1-5. When we have 2-5 and 4-5, we will have a map of down, 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 up. This 4-5 is also down, 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 up. It shows that the upper part always moves downwards, and the bass is going up because of Fa, So, or Re, So. This will avoid parallels. Let's look at 2-5. First of all, if you have a Re goes to Re, don't keep the same note. In this case, don't keep the same note. Every note you just move down. For example, Fa goes down to Re, is down a third. Re goes to D, Ti is also down a third. And La goes down to So, down a second. So it will form this map of down, 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 up. Then you will avoid parallels. Let's go to 4-5. The same thing appears as 4 Fa goes to Re, down a third, and Do goes to Ti, La goes to So, go to the nearest possible note. So again, this is down, 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 up. Lastly, we go to interrupted cadence, 5-6. And you can look at So, Ti, Re, La, Do, Mi. The Do is circled because we have to double the third to avoid parallels. So this time, if we have 2 tonic, this is the Do, then the Ti goes to Do and Re goes to Do. So we will double the third at this moment. And So just resolve to Mi. Don't repeat So, La, otherwise you will have parallel octaves. So these are the solfege map to show you how to do the cadences in major key. Solfege resolution for cadences in minor keys. Just take note that in minor key there will be a leading note raised because the 7th note you have to add a sharp or a natural in flat keys. And also remember the first note in minor scale sings as La. So when we have a tonic triad, we will sing La, Do, Mi, instead of do, mi, so. Just take note of this. So La is the first note, Ti will be the supertonic, the second note, and so forth. Now let's look at 5-1 perfect cadence. 5 sings as mi, si, ti. The so sharp, we will immediately write a sharp by the side to remind ourselves when we write the notes on the staff, we need to have a sharp or a natural according to the key signature. So mi, si, ti goes to la, do, mi. Remember, leading note always goes to tonic. So we draw this line and we have a rule that we keep the common note. We keep the same note. And then the Ti will goes to Do. And remember, Ti, Do is not a leading note in minor key. The Si, La will be leading note goes to tonic. So this is a 5-1. When we have 4-1, 4 is a minor chord because it sings as Re, Fa, La, goes to La, Do, Mi. We keep the same note, La, here, and Fa goes to Mi, Re goes to Do. So resolve to the nearest possible note. When we have 1-5, that's a reverse of 5-1. So this time, La, Do, Mi goes to Mi, Si, Ti. The La will goes to Si. That's the relation between leading note and tonic. We keep the same note, and Do goes to Ti. This is 1-5. When we have 2-5 and 4-5, same as major key, we will have this map of down, 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 up. The 4-5 also have down, 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 up. Remember, 2 is a diminished triad. So as we go to Ti, Re, Fa, goes to Mi, Si, Ti. Whenever we have a 5, there will be a leading note sharpened. So all the notes go down a third. Ti, Si go down a third. Re goes to Ti, also down a third. Although they have repeated notes, that common note, we don't keep it at this moment. We don't keep it at this moment. Then Fa will goes to Mi. So down, 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 up. For 4-5, it's same. Down, 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 up. So Re, Fa, La goes to Mi, Si, Ti. The La will goes to Si. This is the tonic goes to leading note. Then Re go down a third to Ti. Fa goes to Mi, which is down a step. Go down to the nearest possible note. Lastly is the 5-6. Remember, 6 is the major triad in minor keys. And this one is a must double the third. If you don't double the third, you will find parallels, which is a big mistake in SATB or 4-part writing. So the leading note Si goes to La, and then the Ti also goes down by step to La. So we have 2 La over here. Then Mi will goes to the Do. Mi will goes to the Do. Alright, so this is the solfege cadence for minor keys.
Apply the solfege map as you listen to these musical examples. This will help you to avoid consecutives. Alright, in this video, we have used a solfege map to demonstrate the resolution of all cadences. This provides us with the sound and visual aids for part writing. Thanks for watching. See you next time.